Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear learners, today I'm going to show you how to pronounce letters with tanween inshallah. Here you can see double fatha, double kasra and double dhamma. These three of them together called tanween. In this episode I'm going to show you how to pronounce letters with double kasra inshallah. Let's get started. One kasra, it makes sound like E. Double kasra, it makes sound like in. So you can see the difference between one kasra and double kasra. Ba double kasra bin. Ta double kasra tin. My dear learners, when we're going to read, we are not going to always spell them out. I think it is very easier for you if you can memorize all of the letters with double kasra. So my dear learners, please listen to me carefully and practice with me. So we are going to practice only pronunciation, only sound of the letters with double kasra. Thin, so jin, hin, khin, din, zin, rin, zin, sin, shin, sin, din, tin, zin, ain, ghin, fin, qin, kin, lin, min, nin, hin, win, yin. MashaAllah, my dear learners, now I'm going to read them again, so please listen to me carefully and try to memorize all of the letters with double kasra. In, bin, tin, thin, jin, hin, khin, din, zin, rin, zin, sin, shin, sin, din, tin, zin, ain, ghin, fin, qin, kin, lin, min, nin, hin, win, yin. MashaAllah, my dear learners, I hope you did understood how to practice letters with double kasra. Please memorize all of the letters with double kasra. Until you memorize all of the letters with double kasra, please don't go to the next episode. Inshallah, in my next episode, I'm going to show you how to pronounce letters with double dhamma. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.